Alright, here we are with Mike and Todd tonight doing a little night ball field flying with the lights. Mike's already up there pretty much windsurfing. It is a bit windy. Let's look at that flag. Where's it at? Ah, laying down now. But let me get over there with them. Get back with you. Got the camera on. What do we call that one?
Camera actually goes on that one. See that Velcro block?
No, the camera's on here.
This one. Oh,
I'm saying, what do we call this one?
Plank.
Plank. It's the plank. There we go.
Plank number 30.
Heck yeah.
So windy, I can't really tell if I got the CG. Guess what is guess, right?
Yeah.
You sold me. How do I get the propeller on it? It's got those rubber bands around it.
Just pop them off and put new ones on.
Okay.
I have surgical tubing. It's a lot easier to put on than O-rings.
But the propeller doesn't take a screw, just the bands?
12 volt. You run it through. What are you running it through?
Just off JST pigtail.
Oh, okay.
It'll take jack.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Cool.
I need to go that way. I don't want to go that way. I can't see the lights.
Mike's up. Todd's getting ready to go up.
I hope I can stay up.
There you go. There goes your tailwind. You're boogieing, man.
Turn downwind, it wants to go down.
Yeah. Gotta give a little up elevator.
I think that's why I crashed the first time, I forgot to do that.
How many channels is that? What are you flying? 3, 4? 4? Okay.
Deformity sometimes cause trim issues.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm flying this thing all late spring and summer. It's $1 piece of foam, you know.
Yeah, no doubt,
It's
man.
up quite good. As long as I got the CG ready, it'll be good now.
All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, they blind you up. The plank. Yeah. What happened?
I don't know.
It lose communication? Just landed pretty soft. It was like,
I couldn't see.
oh, okay.
To be completely honest, I couldn't see. After it flew in front of that light,
I thought you were gonna whack the tree. I was about to say something. And I'm like, no, he's turning back.
Whoa! So it's a hand launch.
Yeah, there's no wheels. Woo! That wind kicks her back. Huh.
That thing's pretty quick, isn't
Yeah, it moves pretty good for a little.
it?
Yeah, you're good. I'll watch out for you.
I'm really amazed at this thing is doing. It's kind of sporty doing this wind flying.
Yeah. I got 0 throttle there. Zero throttle in that wind, man.
That thing goes pretty good itself, doesn't it? It must have a weaker motor than this.
Yeah. See, I got 0 throttle there. I'm just gliding. I'm just gliding. Pretty much just hanging right there.
Maybe I should go up and try that.
0 throttle. think I just seen Todd fly by over here. Where'd he go? He go down
I
again?
don't know.
I could swore I just seen it.
I don't know if he launched over there or not.
Maybe
There's a dark spot right in between these two lights. That's pretty good.
yeah. See, that's all glide. That's all glide. Wind's kicking her.
You're flying with it without power.
Yeah, I power it up to get up there, and then I cut it. Cut it, nose into the wind. I'm just kind of messing around and seeing how it holds. The addiction.
Yeah.
Oh, we all hit blizzard.
Heavier battery there. That's
Whatever you're wearing to hike there, better start hiking here before you get there.
Yeah, I'm not going. The only thing that's getting blown way over there.
you're getting it by them trees, buddy.
Yeah, I know. I got the nose. I think plane just hang on. Which one? After I'm losing orientation right now.
It's coming at you.
Yeah, I know. I was getting way over there. I'll pick the safe off. Doing it, did not. That was a whole lot of confidence.
What are you doing, Mike?
I can fly without the safe. It's pretty hard.
Yeah, I'm impressed with the Volantex there.
Yeah. Little devil.
I almost lost this airplane a minute ago.
Yeah, I'm watching you.
I got it back. I had to put the nose way down and power it up to it back.
Where are you going?
Well, my plane's at 1-to-1 power ratio. No matter what problem you get in, you can use the horsepower your way out of it. And you could go like this.
Coming for you.
Go ahead, dog plane.
Well, you're sitting still. You're a pretty easy target.
Get as close as you want to me. I'm just going to hover.
Yeah. Today I was gliding a little bit at the house, and I got 30 minutes because I was just using a little bit to keep it up once in a while.
Get it up, fly around.
Yeah, but when I'm flying, you know, six minutes.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah.
You're ready to land by then anyway.
Ah, yeah.
Well, next time I hit, I'll bring head stabilizer.
There you go.
I can cheat then.
Yeah.
Just didn't quite get it done for the night.
All right.
No motion flying.
I basically got to screw the wing on and plug the ailerons in, see what happens.
Sure. That's all.
I found a lot. One thing I found by flying all these other planes that are made, you know, store bought, like a lot of most of them have been ARFs.
Right.
Those lights from bothering me.
Yeah, it is.
You know,
It is.
down
When I flew behind that,
Uh-oh. The light got me there, man. I lost complete sight of it. I looked over at the flag for a minute, then I looked back.
if you're blinded and you don't see it quick, it's like
Yeah.
even these little things, they cover quite a bit of ground pretty quick.
Yeah.
Hell, I went a lot farther than I thought I did over there.
Man, I seen you creeping on them trees, man. I was like, okay.
I got lucky, sitting right there in the mulch.
Right. That was a cool shot on the video camera there, coming around banking her together.
Air race.
Oh, yeah, you got your camera on that.
Yeah, it's recording. It's on my hat.
Oh, eh? That's going to be mad. I gotta get it.
But there's no zoom or none. It's just an action camera, so you know, when you're away.
Still might catch one of those moments. You know?
Yeah. Like that, where I come in behind you
Yeah, that's pretty good.
and I unload the freaking machine gun.
You're down and I'm not.
Woo.
Be hard to do, I think.
Yeah.
You'd have to have bigger, slower airplanes to even have a chance
Sure.
of hitting them. And like he had a 80-some acre farm. It was cool, you know. Enough weight in the nose, you know. By putting them motor out there, they need to run a smaller battery, you know.
Right.
But then it's like, well, if I'm going to use a pretty bees, is that going to cause a problem looking through the
That looks good, boy.
No. Smack! Ow! Yeah, we're lucky we live in the time we do. I mean, it was fun. I built a lot of awesome boats. I still got a couple of them.
Yeah, I've seen your boats. They're pretty amazing, alright.
There she comes. Watch out. Heads
But
up.
it wasn't this kind of technology, you know. There was no free
Yeah.
ride back then.
Right.
You either hauled ass and stayed on upright and beat everybody, or you lost. I was almost ready.
I'm trying to get a high speed pass.
The propellers in the back, so if they hit you, wouldn't do it.
Smart.
So here it is, low pass. Woohoo!
Yeah, the banking by is better.
Yeah.
A little more dangerous.
You did that on purpose, coming close to the fence, right?
Yep.
The flag can be done.
Oh, hey, it's worth the price of admission anyway. Flies in the wind pretty good, I think.
It does a great job. That thing really cuts through.
I wondered how that would be, and it is. That tells me then my big sky surfer will probably fly better in wind too.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Let that thing go, man.
It's cooking.
You lose its lift when you turn it downwind. I just love the way it turns into the wind so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta hit the road.
Just a camera, an action camera, dash cam. I use it for all my fishing, hunting videos, and my flying.
Guys, well, I'm surprised it gets such good rendition. I look at the stuff.
Yeah.
It's all done with that, huh?
Yep.
Amazing. I'll have one of those next time you see me.
Yeah.
I did.
Now they came out with the new one. It's called Mobius Maxi, and I got one of those because it'll do 4K.
Mobius Maxi.
It'll do 4K, but the battery life on it sucks, man. This one here, it'll do some serious filming, you know.
Telephone?
You're good. Go ahead. And this bird is called what again? What is it?
Timber.
Timber.
Yep.
E-Flight.
Oh, this is Timber UMX.
Okay.
The Big Brother's 125, they call it.
Gotcha. All right. I'll stick that landing.
Let me get the
Yeah. Flying like a bush pilot in the wind. There you go. There you go.
You could fly that thing right straight at yourself and
Yeah.
have it come right over the top of your head. That'd be a good one.
Almost busted it. Well, I can do that when there ain't no wind. It's a little tricky, man.
What I found about this hobby is that everybody loses concentration once in a while.
Oh, yeah.
And you crash.
That's it.
Even if you're. Anytime I forget that, I don't want to do crash.
Listen, anyone that gets into this hobby and with not understanding the fact that you're gonna break stuff, you shouldn't be in it.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, you're kidding yourself. Huh?
yeah, you're gonna break stuff. All right, Mike. It's your turn to fly this glider.
I don't know, man.
Oh, you ain't gotta go crazy like I'm doing. She'll fly gentle. Yeah, I'll put some LEDs in there.
It's got pretty good visibility if it was.
Yeah.
So they got bigger than it looks. Yeah, the grass is no problem. Now I want one of those.
Here, you're on safe. You're on safe up here. Don't take it off. You know your controls. 3-channel operation only.
I'm not really comfortable flying it
Too bad.
around.
Too bad. I'm gonna throw it up for you. Give
Sound safe?
yeah. Give it full throttle. Bring it up, because it wants to dive with that heavier battery. Then you can go like half throttle and just put around, you know, in half throttle. If you need a little more, you know what to do.
This thing is pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
I want one of these.
It's a disease, man. That's what we do. We keep buying more and more and more.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think?
See, I haven't had a big airplane yet.
Yeah,
So that's why I'm anxious to see the Apprentice. I know I'm gonna want one of those.
you will.
The only thing that's saved me now is that it's the end of the season.
Yeah. And the Apprentice, man, it just flies so smooth, so forgiving, you know?
Really, does it?
Yeah.
Oh. See, I lost some attention right there.
Yep. It's one way to do it. Dust Devil, baby.
This thing's what, 200 bucks?
Huh?
200 bucks for this?
No. RTF 6295.
$62.95?
Yeah. RTF 6295.
You gotta be kidding me.
That's what you get there, minus the strict stickers I put on there.
$62.95?
Yeah, that's all these are.
I'm gonna have one to.
Yeah. I'll send you the link for the guy on Amazon that sells them for $62.95.
$62.95.
He may be eBay. Do you have eBay account?
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
like to buy on Amazon.
But I think he's on eBay. But just you buy through PayPal, right?
Yeah.
Well, then you're still safe.
The shipping.
No, it's free.